morning. Myself, Sonali Nidesh Rathod from Khernagar Municipal School, Bandra East. Today I am going to teach English subject and today's topic are the winds in the garden. So let's start. Student, I show you some picture. You observe this picture carefully. What what the boy doing in this picture? Yes, the boy is sleeping on a sofa, is watching a mobile and eating a snacks. Now, oh, what's going on in the second picture? Yes, the boys are fighting each other. Now, what happened here? The boy is shouting and he is not listening his mother. Oh, what's going on? Yes, girls and boy watching a mobile. They're playing the games, watching the videos. They continuously playing the game on the mobile. Hmm, what is this in this picture? Yes, the boy is sitting and eating a junk food. See the chips, burger, chocolates, cold drinks. And student, observe this picture carefully. What is this in the first one picture? Yes, in the first one picture, the boy is biting a nail, is biting a nail, and in this picture, the cutting the nail. Okay. So student, which is the good habit here? Yes, if you understand, you use your chat box and send me. Yes, very good, Sharvil. Very good, child. Yes, the cutting a nail is a good habit. So, student, the good now today our lesson also related to good habits and bad habits. In our lesson, the bad habits it's comparing to the winds. Okay, now let's start. Weeds in the garden. Student, the weeds. Do you know the meaning of the weeds? See, I show you some image of the weeds. Yes, weeds means the unwanted plant they grow in the field. Okay, so student, you remember weed means a wild plant growing where it is not wanted. Okay, you all are remembered this. Now, most of the parents like to fulfill the wishes of their children. They feel sorry when they can't indulge their kids or when they have to scold them. And when even a scolding has no effect, the parents become very unhappy. Such was the case with the Anshuman and his parents. Now, who is the Anshumans and what happened in the story? Let's start our story. Anshuman's parent had noticed that he was developing some bad habits. Naturally, they began to warn him time and again, but all in the vain. Anshuman just wouldn't listen. He refused to believe that he was the let those bad habits get a hold over them. Gently words, strictly warnings, a scolding now and then. His parents tried everything short of the beating him up, and that they would never do. However unhappy they themselves were, they wanted to be loving and gently as they tried to correct their son's ways. See, all are the bad habits. The Yeah, shouting while the watching a mobile, eating a foods, it's also bad habits. Soon, and the opportunity present itself. Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with his parents. Early one morning, his father took him for a walk around the farm. He was discussed the special of the various plant and vines and bushes and trees. Student, here this is the vine, clambers. This image of the clambers. The clambers are the plant with a weak stem. Weak stems, they need support to stand and grow straight. The plants climb on the other plant, sticks or wall to grow. See in this picture, the climber grow on a wall. Now bushes. The bushes means bushes are smaller than a tree. They have many tiny brown and woody stem. They branches out very close to the soil. Okay, it's a smaller than a tree. Now tree. Trees are the big, tall and strong. Okay, so you all are remember the speciality of the various plant. Yes, the clamber, bushes and tree. To the Anshuman, suddenly he stopped and pointed at a small seedling growing near a plant. Anshuman, that's a weed. Can you pull it out? Anshuman had no difficulty in pulling all of the small seedling out. See in this picture, Anshuman pull out the seedling. Okay, now good, said his father, and they continuously with their walk. After a while, they come upon the same winds, but there it had grown slightly bigger. Anshuman's father told him to pull out this plant too. He told him to uproot the veins carefully, making sure that no trace of the root was left in the soil. Now student, in your textbook, uproot. Uproot is a new word. The uproot means a pull out of the ground. along with the root. See, this is the root of this plant, and if you pull out the plant along with their root. Okay, remember. Otherwise, the weed can grow again. He warned. Anshumans uprooted the plant carefully, twisting it and pulling it hard so that the whole of it come out. Then his father draw his attention to the same weeds growing at a same distance. There it had grown into a big plant with a teeny flower and a dark fruit. That could be quite a danger. We mustn't leave it growing there. Take it out, said the Anshuman's father. Anshumans held the plant in this hand and gave it to a duck. The weeds didn't move at all. Pulled hard and hard, put to no avail. Can't get this out, exclaimed the Anshuman. It has gone too deep into the soil. So then his father brought some implements. They dug around the weed and with a great effort pulled it out. When they were returning home after the hard work, Anshuman's father mentioned habits are like the winds. The longer you allow them to grow, the harder it is to uproot them. It is a wish to get rid of them when it is easy to do so. Anshuman realized the truth in this father word throughout his life. He never forget that early morning walking on with farm with his father. So student, you saw in this picture, you all have you understood the Anshuman story? Yes, the Anshuman's parents had a notice that he has developing some bad habits, and they begin to warn him time and again, but all in the Anshuman just wouldn't listen. He refused to believe that he was the letting those bad habits get a hold over him. Gently word, strictly warning, a scolding now and then. His parents try everything short of the beating him up, and that they would never do. However, unhappy they themselves were. They wanted to be lovingly and gently as they tried to correct their son's ways. And their parents trying to correct their mistakes, but Anshumans not do anything to correct their mistakes. Soon and the opportunity presented itself. Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with his parents. Early one morning, his father took him for a walk around the farm. Okay, now student, what happened while walking? Yes, they stopped and pointed out a small seedling growing near a plant. Anshuman, that's a winds. Can you pull it out? Yes, there. Father said to Anshuman, Anshuman, that's a weed. Can you pull it out? Anshuman had no difficulty in the pulling all of the small seedling out. Good, said his father, and then continues with their walk. After a while, they come upon the same weeds, but there it had grown slightly bigger. Anshuman's father told him to pull out this plant. He told him to uproot the weeds carefully, make sure that no trace of the root was left in the soil. Otherwise, the wind can grow again. Anshumans uproot the plant carefully. Twisting it and pulling it hard so that the whole of it come out. Okay, now student, what happens? See next. Then his father draw his attention to the same weeds growing at the same distance. Okay. But here, this weeds grow into a big plant with the teeny flowers and dark fruits. That couldn't be quite a danger. We mustn't leave it growing there. Take it out, said the Anshuman's father. Yes, Anshuman's father said to Anshumans, it is quite dangerous. We mustn't leave it growing there. Take it out, said the Anshuman's father. Okay, now what happened with Anshuman? Yes, Anshuman held the plants in his hand and gave it a tug. Student, tug means the pull. He tries to pull out this plant, okay? He pulled hard and hard. But he was not success, okay? And Anshuman said, I can't get this out, exclaimed Anshuman. It has gone too deep into the soil. This plant go into deep into the soil, okay? So then his father brought some implements, means tools, some tools. They dug around the weeds and with a great effort pulled it out. Okay. Have you understood, student? When they were returning home after the hard work, the Anshuman's father mentioned the habits are like a winds. Really, students, habits are like winds. You know, na, winds means a wild plant growing where it is not wanted. Like the same bad habit also, we don't need the bad habits, but it's a bad habits are like a winds. Okay, remember this. The like winds are growing unwanted place, like a bad habit also unnecessary in our life. Remember, okay. So Anshuman's father told to Anshuman, habits are like a winds. The longer you allow them to grow, the hard it is to uproot them. It is wise to get rid of them when it is easy to do so. If you not do to remove your bad habits, it's a growing and growing, and bad habits is converted in a like a big tree. Okay. Then Anshuman realized the truth in his father's words. Throughout his life, he never forgot that early morning walking on the farm with his father. Okay. Have you understood, student, this story? Yes, very good. Now, student, we learn the new word from this lesson. Okay. If you know the meaning of this word, you use your chat box and send it back. Okay. Now, first word, indulge. Do you know the meaning of this word? Yes. If you know, you use your chat box and send me back. Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good, child. Very good. Thank you. Yes. Indulge means it's someone how or do what they want even if it is not good for them. Okay. Now our next word. Student, are you listening? Okay. His no. Now next word is no effect. The can you tell me the meaning of the his no effect? Use your chat box and send me. Okay, very good, child. Yes, is a useless. Okay, useless. Okay. Opportunity. Next word is the opportunity. The opportunity means yes, very good. Okay, Rehan, very good, child. Very good. The opportunity means chance. Yes, and the word next word is a bid. Yes, can you tell me what is meant by bid? Yes, very good. Yes, yes, very good, child. Wind means yes, a wild plant growing where it is not wanted. Very good, very good. Excellent. Thank you. Yes, uproot. Yes, uproot means pull out of the ground along with the root. Yes, yes. Yeah, we see the meaning of the uproot. The Anshumans, the pulling the winds uproot. Okay. Yes, he pulling the seedling by uproot. Okay. Now next word, tug. What is meant by the tug? Do you know the meaning of the tug? Yes, tug means pull. Yes. And now next word, to get rid of. Yes, use your chat box and send me. Yes. Do you know the meaning of the to get rid of? Yes, student? Yes, very good, very good. To take the action so as to be free for something. Okay. Yes, very good. Now it's a time to your question answer. Okay, sir. Question answer. Let's start with your question answer. Okay. Now I ask you some questions. You give me the answer. Okay. Now what is my first question? Yes, when do the parents feel sorry and become unhappy? Yes, tell me.
Miss, can I say the answer?
Just wait, beta. I repeat again question. I repeat my question. When do the parents feel sorry and become unhappy?
Miss, can I say the answer?
Yes, beta. Tell me.
Parents feel sorry when they cannot endure their kids or when they have called them when even a scolding has no effect. The parents become very unhappy.
Very good, child. Thank you. Very good. Excellent. Okay. The parents feel sorry when they can't indulge their kids or when they have to scold them. When even a scolding has a no effect, the parents become a very unhappy. Okay, very good. Now next question. What method what method did the Anshuman's parent use to wear Anshuman about has bad habit? Yes, anybody knows the answer?
To make Anshuman realize his bad habits, his parents began to warn his time and again. They used gentle words, strict warnings, and even a scolding not. And then they lovingly and gentle tried to correct him in every every way possible.
Yes, very good, child. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, child. Okay. To make the Anshuman realize his bad habits, his parents begin to warn him time and again. They use the gentle word, strict warning, and even the scolding. Now and then, they lovingly and gently try to correct him in the every way possible. Very good, student. Very good. Now, what did the Anshuman's father compare the bad habits?
Miss, can I answer?
Yes, child. Tell me.
Anshuman's father compared bad habits to weeds. The longer you allow them to grow, the harder it is to uproot them.
Yes, very good, child. And our next question, why couldn't Anshuman not uproot the weed?
Miss, can I say the answer?
Yes, child, tell me.
Anshuman could not uproot the weeds because it had grown into a big plant and its roots had gone too deep into the soil.
Very good, child. Very, very good. Yes. Anshuman's father compared, so Anshuman's father, Anshuman's father do? Anshuman's father compared a bad habits to winds. To a long you allow, they then to grow. The harder it is to uproot them. Okay, remember. Okay, now it's a time to your homework. Okay. Student, this is your small homework. Okay. Now find out the good habits and bad habits and write it in your own words. So you all are right in your, this question you write on your rub book. Okay. And send me in my WhatsApp number. Okay, student?
Yes.
Understood? Very
Yes.
good. Now, student, again, I humble request to you, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, child.